What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So it's Flora Vicen here, and today's video I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to unbox a smartwatch that we are selling in the Philippines and we are also selling here in America. This smartwatch just came out recently this year and I'm really super excited to show you this video to you guys, and let's find out all the features and everything. So here is the smartwatch and let's go find out. This smartwatch is so cute. Let me take this off. And as you see, it's Smartwatch 6, and the back it says all the details about the smartwatch. Okay, let me go ahead and take this off too. And so I have it in pink, and you can see the manual. It also says in English and in Chinese. And the charger, it's USB charger. And so let me take this off, take off the plastic. It's so cute. Can't wait to test this out. So you can see at the back where you can see the lights when you are turning on the heartbeat or the blood pressure thing. See, it fits. There you go. Okay, let me check this out. And so you can press this button and you can rotate the button too. And as you see, this tiny bubble app, I like it. It goes really smoothly. See, it's so fast. It's not buggy at all. I really love it. It's not like other smartwatch that it's so slow. The process is really slow. I like this because it's fast. I say it many times. So swipe up and you can see the message. So swipe down, you can see all the settings. Swipe left, you can see the weather display, and swipe right, you can see the heartbeat measurement. There you go. You can see the light, measure. Then rotate it so you can see all the measurements of your heartbeat. There you go. Press that again so you could go to the bubble up, and like to rotate this button, so play with it. And so yeah, I'm playing with this out right now because it goes smoothly and it moves to where I go. It follows my finger really fast. It's awesome. So here is the calculator, and that's the breathing. I think practice your breathe, and that's the heart rate, and that's the blood pressure measurement. See, and here are some of the sports. There is running, biking, swimming, walking, sit-ups, and everything. This is cool. I like it. Then long press the screen so you can change the wallpaper. It has, I think, 4 or 5 wallpapers here. This is nice. Then I'm going to connect it to the Bluetooth. So as you see, HW22, I'm going to pair it now. It's pairing. And so it's connected. But first you have also to download a Wear Fit Pro app in the Play Store. And you can search a device. I'm going to search device right now. So it searched the smartwatch HW22, and it's successfully connected. Okay, now it's connected, and you see the weather. It will also tells the weather. The best part of this smartwatch, it has also watch faces in the app. You can download some of them, because in the smartwatch it only have 4 to 5 watch faces, which those are not much. So here you can choose a lot of choices. Oh, I see some cute ones. They are so nice. Okay, I'm going to use that one. Download and installation. Installing it now. It will take just seconds to download this wallpaper. I call it wallpaper. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love it. Look at that. Next, you can also customize your watch face. You can customize it to your photo. See? You allow that one. And I pick one of my picture. That one. Installation. Just have to wait. Wow, that's amazing. Look at that. My picture is in the watch. That's super, super nice. Next one, we go to the sleeping mode. So it will record how many hours of sleep you got. And I'm going back to screen, and that's the camera remote. And then I'm going to press it twice here. And it will sit up like this way if you want this way, if you don't want the bubble wrap, because those are tiny. So this way is so easy. There you go. See everything. There's music also. That's it. And I'm going to press it twice again. And you'll see the 9 apps. I always set my smartwatch into this way because this is the easiest style of the app. I like it this way than the bubble up. So I'm going to change the strap. Just slide that out. It's so simple. And I'm going to change it to the metal one. This is easy. Just slide that in there. See, it's so quick. And yeah, to the other one, other side. There you go, it's all set. This is so beautiful. I love this watch. So you guys, if you enjoy watching this video, just let me know. And if you want to get one of these, let me know. Contact me on Facebook. So beautiful, super cute. I like my wallpaper. That's so nice. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you, thank you. I love it. Bye guys.